Everybody's nightmare. I made a video 15 minutes long of me making a beat, and guess what? Not a single bit of it went through. So you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to release the video anyways, 15 minutes. And you're gonna literally watch me. I'm gigging, I'm jumping up and down. And you're not gonna hear a bit of it. I don't even know where I'm looking. Am I looking at the little dot or am I looking at you? You're not literally not gonna hear it. You got a little thing right here, I don't even know what it is. Little glitter, little glitter. You're literally not gonna be able to hear it. I was discouraged. 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 I said, you know what? I'll release it anyways. Cause I literally was like, this video is cool. This video is gold. Jesus is best to warm up for some days. It's just like this. Not a single bit of this sound recorded. Except me just going crazy. So enjoy it. This is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh. We are going to make a beat live. You see the new lights I got set up. This room is gonna get more and more vloggy. Alright, you know I got my template set up. I'm gonna just make a beat. I'm barely gonna say anything. Let's just get into it. This is how I would make the beat. Alright, let's go. So, boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Okay, so let's do. Oh. Oh no, that's not how I did. Let's change that. Kick. You already know I'm about to use cymatics. Where's that? Cymatics. I don't normally use stuff like that. What do I do with this? What? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Because we're going crazy. We ain't never gonna stop. We ain't never gonna stop. Stop. What? Roll. No. But. Top. Code. Ooh. Huh. Mm. Mm. So what I do right here, let's get these. And then some of them. So, and I'll just do 6 like that. Oh. So it's like. Woo. And this is an open hi-hat. So like I'm at 4 minutes already. I don't. Oh, you know what? All my things are right here. Yeah. I was like, where are my drum kits? They're right here. Let's see. Yeah, just one time. That's hard. You guys know my favorite thing to do. Yep. And then except this time. Oh, you know which one is this one? Ooh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. The hyper keys.
You guys know how I do it. Oh my gosh, I'm blocking my face. I always do this. I don't know if you guys care about seeing my face, but you know, I just do some of my chords. So what I'm gonna do is I can just kind of free range this thing. I don't need to see the chords. Because you guys know how you guys don't know. I'm saying you guys like you guys been with me now. I just started doing this. I don't know what I do. But I love 7 chords, 9 chords. People who know me know that. So right here. What I'm gonna do is take off the quantize for this. So let it free range. It doesn't sound that loud. It's a little loud right there. Oh my gosh. I'm in my zone. I'm at 9 minutes. Let's start wrapping this thing up. We're in another world right now. Yeah, $2,000 show. Huh. If I had my thing plugged in, I'd go crazy. $2,000 show. Huh. $2,000 more. Huh. I got a cat in them toes. Huh. She want her nails done, her fingers and toes. Huh. I'm gonna get on the show. Huh.
If you guys made it to the end of the video, you're a rock star. And you're awesome. And I love you. And whoa, you're cool.